Making our way through some of the corporate results. Lulu is one of them from last night as 165 beats 119. Already we've got a price target increase over at Cowen as they go to 520. Jim?
Yeah, this was one of those quarters. You always look for these companies that do a quarter that you expected would happen, say, in 2023. It was that spectacular. There is no slowdown in this category. If anything, there is an acceleration. David, you know, Lulu is one of those companies that we thought was a pandemic play, and when the pandemic kind of wound down a little, people would stop wearing it. But we didn't go back to the office, and Lulu has become kind of the standard of what people wear.
By the way, I know people who wear those slacks to the office.
Yeah, the
those
ABC.
Pants. Yeah, the ABC.
Look, this is one of those, it's kind of difficult to talk about. The first page of what they talked about was bras. And I said, do I mention bras or is that sexist? But they talked about that's their category of innovation is bras. And I think that's fabulous. David, there hasn't been a new innovation in bras, I don't know how many years.
A long time.
Long time.
I understand, yes.
Long time.
Yes.
Meanwhile, it's probably not a coincidence that Peloton today announcing their own private label apparel brand.
Well,
Peloton Apparel.
I think that Peloton is a forward-thinking company. Let's put it that way. Foley. I bumped into Foley when I was up in Newport. And he was, irrepressible. That's who he is, irrepressible. But when you look at Lulu, even this mirror acquisition, I think is starting to come to the fore. I thought one of the most compelling things about that quarter, they're paying people $70 an hour. Wealth and health. Wealth and health. That's something that Ulta talked about, is that wealth and beauty. I mean, these are categories, well, for Ulta, it's beauty and health. For when I think about Lulu, it's wealth and health, meaning that if you can afford their stuff, you're doing pretty well.